It's me again. Can't get right, Mike. I'm sitting up in the deer stand again. It ain't raining today. I'm sure glad. But just want all my hunting buddies to know, and all my friends, I'm here, live and well. And I like this stand. My little buddy Tyler put it up for me. And it's just tight woods, you know. But got some corn out. Got some acorns. Got a little bit of feel-good stuff. But anyway, just want you to know I'm all right. It's this damn stand. The seat in it, it hurts my ass. It's got these wire holes in it. Let me look at it. It got these wire holes in it, and it causes me to get a cramp in my ass. But I'm going to be all right. I just want you to know that I probably ain't going to do but one of these because I'm going to kill me a big-ass deer today. I got a feeling. Told you the other day, didn't kill nothing because it just got rain. Deer didn't come out in the rain. I think they were up under the umbrellas or something. But I just want you to know that I'm going to kill me a deer today. I hope so, because I got to get something to eat. I got Thanksgiving coming, family coming over, and there's a lot of my family. There's about 700-800 of us, and they eat a lot, and I got to have a lot of food so I can kill me something. So I'm going to get off this radio here and talk at y'all later. I hope I get me something.